Devin AI Software Engineer is an innovative Android application designed to assist users in software development and programming tasks using artificial intelligence. This app acts as a virtual coding assistant, providing real-time support and suggestions to enhance the coding experience. Typically, Devin AI can help users with code generation, debugging, and problem solving by analyzing code snippets and offering optimized solutions or alternatives. The application often supports multiple programming languages, making it versatile for various development projects, whether for web, mobile, or software applications. In addition to coding assistance, Devin AI may include features such as documentation, tutorials, and access to coding resources, helping users improve their programming skills. This tool is particularly beneficial for novice developers seeking guidance, as well as experienced programmers looking to streamline their workflow. Overall, Devin AI Software Engineer aims to simplify and enhance the software development process through intelligent automation and expert assistance.